is not a clear view. I've shut down my ears and now my heart is what I hear through. I've shut down my eyes and now my soul is what I peer through. Cause God whispered to me, yo, these struggles gon' prepare you. This world is feeling something like a throne that I'm the heir to. And since the people put me there, I put the people there too. Sky's looking gray and recently I feel like I've been having revelations. All I need is God and I'm good, baby. And I just wanna show you I could. Yeah. And I just wanna show you I could. That's right. You said I would make it. I just wanna show you that I could. I'm not a Lisa, I'm a owner. I'm high but not a stoner. I guess there's something. And if you're in it, goodbye to if now. I remember all the people, how they said I wouldn't make it. I just wanna show you that I'm here and I'ma take it. Recently I feel like I've been having revelations. All I need is God and I'm good, baby. And I just wanna show you I could. And I just wanna show you